Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Pre-Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. US markets closed higher. S&P 500 and Nasdaq hit fresh all-time high. Asian markets mixed as usual. GIFT Nifty indicating about 40-50 point gap up for our market. As I said yesterday, the Nifty fell nearly 150 points after 2 p.m. as there was some uncertainty in minister's portfolio. Now everything is certain. And very good news is that Nirmala Sitharaman has been appointed as finance minister once again. I think yesterday in my post-market, I mentioned very clearly, if my understanding about PM is correct, she will be the finance minister. And markets, may not react violently. In 2009, when she was appointed as a finance minister, market reacted. Why? The answer is very simple. Markets will not be reacting twice for the same news. Remember the best example for you in 2020 when the coronavirus came, markets reacted violently, but the second wave of corona, which was more deadlier than the first wave, the markets did not react. And if you want, I can tell one small joke, one girl got married, went to her in-laws house, and after 6 months came back to her parents, started complaining about her husband, in-laws, everybody, sister-in-law, father-in-law, mother-in-law, everything. Then the mother said, you just wait for 6 months, everything will be all right. And the girl got so excited. Mom, you think that my in-laws all will change within 6 months? Then the mother said, no, they will not change, but you will get used to it. So, first time when you get some news, it's a shocking news, but when second time, third time when it happens, you get used to it. So that is the logic, but those people will never change. Yeah, so this is purely for fun. When Nirmala Sitharaman said something without saying that it's for fun, she got into a lot of trouble. So therefore it's better to explicitly say that this is for fun. Okay, Nirmala Sitharaman has been trending in Twitter and other social media since her appointment as a finance minister. But one thing is good, everybody was saying, middle class tax, this and that, I may not agree with them completely, right? So, they are just looking for some scapegoat. I don't know whatever it is. Maybe I may be wrong, but I always believe that go with the majority. So majority of the people are, not happy that she has been appointed as a finance minister. So what is good in this thing? Right. It's not only you and me know that she's having so much opposition. She herself will know there is so much of opposition for her. So therefore, she may not do anything aggressively at least for 6 months to 1 year. So that is a really, really very good thing for stock market. So this is my assessment, but sometimes you don't know, right? But I can tell you whether it is of 6 months or 1 year or 2 year, be prepared to pay a nominal tax for your capital gains in stock market. So that is for sure. Other things like FPI taxation, who knows, they may start taxing the NRI FD income also, right? So, it's not only needs Nirmala Sitharaman, every finance minister, they always look at only one thing, how to increase the revenue. So that is the sole objective. So they may do anything. Yeah, so let us stop talking about politics now. Okay, come back to the market. So though there may be a nominal tax on capital gains, I have nothing to worry because, most of my investments are in NVIDIA shares. So I will have no capital gain tax. Yesterday, both FIAs and DIAs were net buyers, and that too buyers for a big quantity, and that may have some positive impact. And moreover, the uncertainty in political front is gone now. So everything has become certain. I always say markets can take positive things. Market can take Nirmala Sitharaman as finance minister, but market cannot take uncertainty. So now everything is certain, and I'm sure the India VIX may also further go down, and sooner or later it will go below 15 which is, it's a good bull market. So now all politics are over. Now we will focus more on consumer price inflation, IIP data, US FOMC meeting, and so on. So markets can be a little bit jittery here and there for the next few trading sessions because of all this data. I think by next week the market should come to normal. Yesterday, though it was so volatile in the morning, in the first 30-45 minutes, I remember seeing Bank Nifty going up 400 point, coming down by 500 point, again going by 300 point, again coming by 400 point. There was a hell lot of volatility in the morning yesterday. So that may continue maybe for another 1 or 2 trading sessions. Then after that, market may stabilize. And since the markets are looking so good, now I tend to think that we are in the box 23,000 to 23,500. But because of volatility and other things, it can breach on the downside, maybe. So therefore, broadly, I'm looking at 22,500 to 23,500 as the range, at least for next 2 to 3 trading session or until this weekly expiry. But weekly expiry premiums are very, very lucrative. Yesterday, I sold 24,000 call option for about 11 rupees and 22,200 put option also. I sold around 17 rupees, but that was in the morning. So the premiums are still lucrative, both Nifty, Bank Nifty, because when the markets make a bigger move, the option premiums tend to move higher. So overall, I still feel that even for this weekly expiry, we have 3 more trading sessions. I still feel that even 23,000 is a a good support. But of course, you don't go and sell a put option where you think it's a good support. You take another few 100-point buffer. Your view can always go wrong. So being an option seller, the first thing comes to our mind is that, what if my view goes wrong? Okay. So that is the logic. So otherwise, despite a lot of uncertainty, for the last 1 week, 10 days, my trading has been going very well. Although I trade with much less quantity because, you can see my sleepy face because, I trade in US market. I go to sleep only after 1:30 a.m. and then wake up at 6:30 to prepare my pre-market report. So overall, market will be happy that all uncertainties are over. I always say, no matter what happens, no matter what is your gut feeling, and no matter what is the opinion poll, no matter what is exit poll, uncertainty is always uncertainty until it becomes certainty. So as of today, everything in political front has become certain. So that's it for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.